How do you compare these two fractions 3/7 and 4/9? Is 3/7 less than, greater than, or equal to 4/9? Our approach to this is to cross multiply. 9 times 3 is 27, and then 7 times 4 is 28. Whatever is the higher value, that's the larger fraction. In this case, 3/7 is less than 4/9. To check our answers, we will change the two fractions into fractions with the same denominator. That is, we will multiply 3/7 by 9/9 and 4/9 by 7/7. This will give us 27/63 and 28/63. And in this case, 28/63 is greater. Or we can also divide. 3 divided by 7 is 0.429 and 4 divided by 9 is 0.494, and it is greater. Let's have another comparison, 6/11 and 5/7. What we'll do again is we will cross multiply, and this will give us 42, and this one is 55, and in this case 6/11 is less than 5/7. Here's another way of how to add mixed numbers. Let's add 3 and 2/3 and 5 and 1/5. First, let's combine the whole numbers 3 and 5, and then we will combine the fractions 2/3 and 1/5. 3 plus 5 is 8, and to add the fractions, let's take the least common denominator, which is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5, times 2 is 10, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3, times 1 is 3. And it would be 8 plus 13/15. And the final answer is 8 and 13/15. Or you can write it in decimal form, which is 8.87.
Here's a trick on how to compare fractions.
This is one of the ways on how to add mixed numbers. Let's add all the numbers here. First, let's combine all whole numbers. That's 2 plus 5 minus 3. And combine all fractions. 1/4 plus 1/3 minus 2/3 plus 1/12. 2 plus 5 minus 3 is 4. The least common denominator of these fractions is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3, times 1 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 1 is 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 2 is 8. 12 divided by 12 is 1, times 1 is 1. So it would be 4, and that would be 0/12, which is actually 0. So 4 is the final answer. We can check our answers by converting them into decimal form. 2 and 1/4 is 2.25, 5 and 1/3 is 5.33, 3 and 2/3 is 3.67, and 1/12 is 0.083. And that totals to 3.99999, or equivalent to 4.